Hi guys, welcome to Baswan's vlog. So since 2-3 days it has been raining. Sometimes it has been drizzling, sometimes it has been raining. You can see right now also it has been raining. You can see the raindrops on the soil. So since 3 days it's been going on. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it has been drizzling, and you can see I came few minutes ago from the school and now I am making a vlog. Agastya is with me. You can see the rainwater, and you can see there is water on the cart. There is also, you can see the water is pouring. There the water is pouring. You can see water is pouring over here. This is my father's auto which is standing right now. Due to rain, my father came back from the road after working. So our arts auto is standing over here, and Agastya is watching me carefully. And Piyush has also come back from the school, and Piyush is sleeping. You can see Piyush is sleeping over there on the bed. Now you can see Sia is going on upstairs with her mama. So since 3 days the weather has been very good, I would say. Now Piyush is going somewhere. You can see the bookshop, the Piyush. These are the books of the Piyush and Sia's. Now I am searching something, and that I will try to speak. You can see Piyush has taken the money into his hand. Now I am going to turn on the light of this room. I have turned on the light of this room. You can see Piyush is searching something. Piyush, what are you searching? Piyush has a money in his hand. He is counting the money. He is counting the money. You can see this is my shirt which is on the chair. Agastya is listening me carefully. So Agastya is saying that let's go on upstairs for making a vlog. No, I can't go on upstairs. You're a bad boy. Okay, let's go outside. So I think no, you can't go. It is raining. No. Okay, go and come quickly. You can see Piyush is going for purchasing the goods from the shop. Come quickly. He went there. He will come. And you can see there is water lodged. There is water lodged also. A lot of dusts are at the front of our home. There is water lodged also. You can see there is water lodged at the front of our home. Agastya is watching me making the vlog. Agastya, are you watching me making the vlog? Now Piyush is about to come. Piyush has gone to purchase something from the shop. He is about to come. Where is Piyush? Piyush is about to come. No. Piyush is about to come. So you can see it is pouring. You can see the raindrops on the soil. Where is Piyush, Agastya? Yes. Agastya is saying that he went on shop for purchasing goods. I am not able to see. Okay, he will come, then I will make the vlog. Piyush is about to come. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this mini vlog. Thank you.